Hello, and welcome to the CoPOS training series. Today we're going to cover how to set up a new item category in your system using Menu Path 4.2, Item Category Database. Why are categories important? They help you organize your inventory into logical groups, like gluten-free or local produce, which makes reporting and searching for items much easier. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add, manage, and even import categories with confidence. Let's get started. We'll start from the CoPOS main menu. The quickest way to get to the item category database is to use the direct shortcut. From the main menu, just type 4.2 and press enter. This takes you directly to the item category database screen. It's a great time saver once you get used to it. Now we're on the item category database screen. From here, we can add our new category. For our example, let's create one for gluten-free products. First, look at the choice bar at the bottom of the screen and select the Add command. This will open the screen for entering a new category. Now we'll fill in the details. First is the category code. This is a unique code, up to 8 characters long. It's a good practice to use numerical codes to keep things organized. Next, enter the description. This is the full name of your category, so we'll type in gluten-free and press enter. You'll also see other useful fields like food item, which is important for things like EBT eligibility, and category default margin. Once you've filled in the information, just select Save from the bottom menu. And that's it! Your new gluten-free category is now in the system and ready to be assigned to items. To exit, just press the Escape key. Here's a quick tip. This same screen is your hub for all category management. You can use the Edit or Delete commands to make changes later. You can also use the powerful import function, which is perfect for adding a long list of categories all at once from a vendor file, like one from UNFI. So, let's do a quick recap. To add a new category, just navigate to Menu Path 4.2, select Add, enter your category code and description, and hit Save. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your store's inventory perfectly organized. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Log into your CoPOS terminal, head to Menu Path 4.2, and add a practice category. If you get stuck or want to explore more, just press F10 for the built-in system help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CoPOS tips. We'll see you in the next video.